Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to another Urso tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can find the best maps or the good maps for you. Of course, it depends on your taste of music and your taste of how much hardcore you are in this game. So, for example, first of all, please make sure that you have an account in Urso, and now let's go ahead and open any kind of browser you have. So, for example, I'll open Google Chrome, and you can from here also click on it and then go to Beatmaps. Make sure that you are connected to your wallet, and from here you can download whatever song you'd like. So it's gonna be whatever song you feel like it's gonna be the best for you. Or else, like for example, you have been watching the streamer that has been amazing for you and you really liked his music or the bitmap. You can just copy the bitmap that he's using. For example, you can copy its name. If you don't know its name, you can use this extension which called Shazam. It will help you to detect which song he is playing in the moment he is playing. So you will just use it and then you will get the name of the music, and after doing so you can type the name in this bar in here. The third method, which is going to here into the favorite one, and from here we'll see all the best favorite songs for all the people. So this is all the songs that is at the moment really like the best. You can just click on wherever, and now you can from here click on download, and so like something like that. For example, download without video, and after waiting a couple seconds it will be ready for you, and then you can just drag it inside your Urso game like so, and something like that. And as you can see now, I've dragged the song to my Urso, and I will be able to play it right after I drag it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.